students, welcome to the math class. So in page number 24, Math Magic, chapter 11, you can see jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting from 0. So from 0, the frog jumps 3 steps at a time. Count the jumps he takes to reach 27. So from 0 to 27, we will count the jumps. Okay. So the question is, count the jumps he takes to reach 27. So at one time he takes 3 steps, right? From 0. So he has taken 27 divided by 3. That is 9, right? So he has taken 9 jumps. This you will write as your answer, this 9. Okay. So the next question is, he has taken dash jumps if he is at 36, right? What we will do here? So we will do here 36 divided by 3, right? So the answer should be 12. 3 12s are 36. We all know that. So the answer should be 12. This is your answer. Okay. So the next question is, if he is at 42, he has taken dash jumps. He has taken dash jumps, right? So we will write here, obviously 42 steps, he is at 42. So at 42 divided by 3, right? Samely we will do 42 divided by 3. So the answer is 14, right? So he has taken 14 jumps, right? Now you can see we are talking about a new rabbit. So the rabbit, what he does, starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. Now 5 steps. Okay. So the question is, in how many jumps does he reach 25? Okay, in how many jumps does he reach 25? What we are going to do here, samely 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So the answer will be, in how many jumps does he reach 25? Answer will be 5. So I am showing you how I have done it. 25 divided by 5, 5 5s are 25, right? So 5 is the answer. So you will only write 5 as your answer. So you will write 25 divided by 5. This is your answer. Okay. Now the next question is, he reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. He reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. So 5 steps he takes at one time in one jump. So 8 jump he has to take. So 5 into 8 equals 40. Okay. So he reaches 40 after taking 8 jumps. So 40 is your answer. This answer you will write in your book, only 40. Now the next question is, he he needs dash jumps to reach 55, right? So one time he takes 5 jumps, we all know that, so 55. So what we are doing, 55 divided by 5, right? So now we are doing 5 ones are 5, 5 will come down, 5 ones are 5, right? So 11 jumps, right? So 11 is your answer. So he needs 11 jumps to reach 55. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Practice this at home. Thank you, class.